What's up everyone, it's July 13th. Let's make some french fries today. If you've been looking for the perfect french fry recipe, you've come to the right place. It's super easy. No more of those nasty fast food french fries. What's up, my name is Matthew Sick. I'll show you how to make daily recipes. Let's get started with the recipe. So step one, you want to cut this potato into 1/4 slices. So once you do the first cut, usually I'll just cut down 1, 2, 3, 4 into 1/4, and then I'll cut the other way, and then I'll take the skin off. And that's how I get these perfect little fries. I would recommend getting russet potatoes too if you can. They have high temperature for frying, and they're good for slicing. Next up, you just rinse the fries for about 30 seconds to a minute to get all that starch off so your french fries aren't too starchy. After you rinse the fries, then you can put them in a bowl with some cold water so the fries won't brown. Next up is super simple. You just take the french fries from your bowl in the water, put them in a pot so the water is just above the french fries so your french fries don't brown. Then you take 1 cup of vinegar. You can use red or white, doesn't really matter. Then you pour that vinegar into the pot. Give it a little stir. And then you let that simmer to a boil. And then right when it hits a boil, you turn it down. And then it gets all that excess sugar, that starch, all that nasty stuff off the french fries. This is the secret to the crispiness of your french fries. Takes a couple minutes to boil, but once it does, you want to let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Let it sit there. Alright, since it's come to a boil, what you want to do is just lower the heat to a 2. And then you just want to take this off for just about a minute or 2. Let that boil settle down. And then put it back on the heat for about 10 minutes on a low simmer. Perfect. And then you let it sit for about 10 minutes. Alright, it's been 10 minutes. I just took the pot off the heat. Then you want to drain the fries. Careful with your face, the steam. And then after you pour the hot water out, you want to put them on a towel and pat dry them. Since the fries are all dried off, what you want to do is just put frying oil in a pan now, which is about 1 of these bottles. That's why I like getting these bottles. For good reference, they have high smoke point. A lot of people like peanut oil. You can use olive oil, you can use soybean oil, a lot of different oils. Just make sure it has a high smoke point. But yeah, just put that in there and then bring that to a boil. So the oil is hot enough, you can temp it to make sure. Mine's around 420, 400. Perfect. Now it's the fun part. You take 1/3, not all of them, put them in there. Watch your face, watch your arm so you don't burn yourself. And fry up a little bit for about 30 seconds. Then you put the other third in there. Watch your hands, watch your face. Add a little mix, try to get the fries submerged in that oil. These are gonna be good. And you fry for about a minute. Alright, it's been about a minute. I'm gonna pull these off. Take that off the heat, let that cool down. Alright, it's cooled down a bit. There's a little trick. I like to save the oil, so I put a bowl under that, and then nice. And then from there, I put them on the towel for about 30 minutes and let them cool down. So I'm just drying the fries for about 30 minutes now. So there's 2 more steps. You can just do your seasoning or preferences. I have a little bit of salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, and a little bit of garlic powder in here. I'll sprinkle it across, make these fries all good, give it a little toss, and that's basically good. Make sure you don't over season it, you know? So you want to bring your oil back to a reheat. So the secret to make your fries brown and crispy is to do a second fry. So what you want to do is make sure this is 400. It's starting to smoke slightly, so I think it's about ready. Yeah, it's about 400. So I'm going to turn the temperature down just a tad. And then same thing, you want to do 1/3 batches. Let it fry up for about 30 seconds. It smells good. Should make them nice and brown and crispy. I just add a little bit of butter also so the fries won't stick. Mix that around. Those fries are basically done. Take them off and let them cool down. Enjoy. Alright, those fries are basically done. So you got the oil cooled on a little bit for a couple minutes, and then you're going to want to drain the oil. Then you got done french fries. From there, you just let them cool down on that towel, and then you can put the seasoning again. And you season them up a little bit, and then enjoy. Eat them while they're hot. Alright, now it's my favorite part. Let's try one. Oh yeah. That beats any fast food fry. All day. Make these at your house right now. Be sure to check out Hacks Foods socials and website. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks. If you're not subscribed to the channel, no fries for you.